Thor is here with his hammer. Nobody can touch the Thor's Odin's son. What? Myth Assassin, where are you, brother? My God, I'm coming, Myth. I'm coming, Myth, I'm coming. If I die, but I will come. Myth, I'm coming. Thor is coming. You can fly with it? No, not now. Thor cannot fly. This is Fortnite, bro. Not Avengers movie. Only that doesn't matter you have a skin or not. It matters how you're playing. Maybe you have a good skin, but you're a dummy player. Yeah, Galaxy skin, but you're a dummy player. Please help him. Please help him. What, Tojo? Please help him, bro. He's dying. Good job. Thor's back. Just because of you. No doubt Thor is so powerful. Let's call Meow Meow. His weapon is called Meow Meow. The season is bad. This season is amazing. You can fly with it? No, I cannot. Let's go, son of Odin. Attack. Thor can destroy the whole stone. Thor is so powerful right now. Who is shooting? You really want to mess with Thor? Son of Odin? God of Thunder is coming. Why you think this season is bad? But I think this season is OP. Because you can get your Marvel star forever. Or you can play with any Marvel superhero. Yeah, I know there's not Hulk, there's a She-Hulk. But Captain America skin, they actually introduced Captain America. That's why there's no Captain America. Otherwise, they definitely Captain America in this game. Because Captain America is too OP. I want to do some fishy. Thor is hungry. Now Thor is going to fishy. You want that? Okay. I can take if you don't want. I'm going to fishy because I need some AR and I will fish. The fishy will give me. Where are you, fishy? Come to me, fishy. Fishy is not here, Thor. How can you find Fishy, Thor? Is you playing CD again? Yeah, I will do CD stream again, yeah. Oh, Fishy, 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 Fishy. Let's go, Thor. Wow! Thor, what is that Fishy call? Where's that Fishy? What she's doing? Oh, good job. Blue one. Why are you taking everything? Okay, you can take it. You can take it. I will find something else. I'm going to do Fishy once more because I like Fishy. What's the work of this Fishy? Oh, so many fishes. Let's go. Give me a scar, Fishy. Fishy, give me a scar. Oh, that's a big fishy thing. Big fishy thing. I want this fishy thing. I want to use this Fishy. Give me big fishy. That's a mission. Oh my God, you use it? Man, that's a big fishy. I need that. That big fishy is so powerful. I don't need that. Oh, so many good fishies. You can kill him. I'm doing Fishy right now. Fishy, you are not hungry? Good job, Fishy, good job. Give me some, give me some. Fishy. Give me scar, Fishy. Fishy, this time give me scar, please. What is that? What is that? Spike fish? Where's the work of that? Oh, there's so many good fishies are here right now. I like it. Another one, another one, another one. I will eat all of the Fishy. Oh, Fishy's everywhere. Oh my God. Oh, right here. I can't play. Why is that? I'm dying. Everything is becoming black. I eat some fishy thing and everything is black right now. Oh my God, what is Fishy? What Fishy is doing? Everything is black right now and I'm flying. Man, what is happening right now? What does the mean of that? I'm flying. Everything is black. How can I see enemy? Is there a gravity effect on me? Fishy, what you did? Next time, don't try to attack on me. Next time, don't try to attack on me. If I said don't try to attack on me next time, why you did not believe me? Do you think it's a joke? This is not a joke, you dummy. I said I'm gonna finish you, so I will finish you. Do you think is that a joke? I'm playing with Fishy. That doesn't mean you can kill me. Yeah, something bad happened to me. I don't know what is gonna happen, but something is very bad. What? If you have really guts, then come to me, you fool. I will teach you why I eat Fishy. Now how can you feel? Because before some time you want to finish me? Now you're dead? Now you understand? The zone is powerful? You think is that funny? Yeah, before some time you tried to kill me. Now you understand it's not a joke. Fishy is serious. Now die. I'm leaving right now. Where's your brother? Oh, his brother is there. Where's your other brother? Is he dead? Okay. So this is the last time, so no Fishy. Now I have supernatural power of Dr. B. You know what is that? Is that superpower of Doctor? Guys, did you see the power of Doctor? Can you see the enemies through walls? Yeah. With the ability, oh, that's cool. Now I have the power of Dr. B. You can see. I will fly and I will attack on the enemies. You can see, like, look at this. On the tree. Wow! What? Oh my god, Myth Assassin is knocked. There's a scar. I need a medkit. I need a medkit. Let's go attack. The power of Thor. How many kills I have? I have just 6 kills because I was doing Fishy. Yeah, I was killing Fishy. Can you see enemy?